Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate sales strategies with Verizon, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate sales strategies with Verizon, start by assessing your current sales goals. Identify the key performance indicators that matter most to your business. Research Verizon's product offerings to understand how they align with your goals. Create a list of Verizon products relevant to your target market. Develop a clear value proposition for each product you plan to promote. Engage with Verizon's training resources to familiarize yourself with their sales techniques. Set up a meeting with a Verizon sales representative to discuss partnership opportunities. Outline your desired strategies based on the resources gained from training and discussions. Prepare promotional materials that highlight the benefits of Verizon products. Utilize social media platforms to create awareness about the products you offer. Implement a lead generation strategy to attract potential customers. Establish a follow-up process for leads generated through your marketing efforts. Track your sales progress using your defined key performance indicators. Adjust your strategies based on the data collected and feedback received. Maintain regular communication with Verizon to stay informed about product updates. Continue to refine your sales strategies as you gain more experience and insights. Stay committed to your goals and don't hesitate to pivot when necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.